Hey everybody, welcome back. This is part 2 of the OctoStudio Aquarium. So the next thing we're going to do with this program is to create 2 random timed code sequences for all of our fish. And we're going to call one the crazy swim, and we're going to call one, well, death. We're going to have them randomly die. So this is so if you'd like to do both or one or the other. Surprisingly, my second graders and first graders really like the random death code, so I don't know what's up with that, but if you want to do random swim instead, this works fine as well. So what we're going to do is for each fish, we are going to set a randomized code sequence. So we're going to start with this yellowfish. We're going to say when we hit play, and we are going to create a random wait timer. So we are going to bring in a wait timer and drop it in. And then we are going to change that to a random. And so let's bring this in. Random between. So let's do the crazy swim first. So let's do random between maybe 30 seconds and 60 seconds. Could be whatever you want. Maybe we could do less. Let's do 15 to 60. Okay, so when it does the 15 to 60, we're going to put in a repeat loop because we want this to just happen once. And depends on how long you want it to go. We can do 5. That's fine. And now I'm going to just put in some random moves. So we'll say, and we're going to use a lot of these move codes and turns. So the thing with the turns is that you're going to want to make sure that when you use these, do them in whole circles. Otherwise, you might have issues with the fish ending like upside down. So let me duplicate this 4 times. And we're going to just do multiples of 360. And then let's do 720. And then we'll do another 720 here. That way we know that it will always be right side up at the end. And then the moves, we'll put some more moves in between. So we'll go 50 to the right. And then we can do maybe 50 to the left. And we'll do another move. We'll go up that way. And we'll do another one down this direction. Okay, so this is going to be our random sequence, and you can adjust all these speeds to whatever you want. We're going to make them all, I'm going to make them all uniformly quick, and I'll have it repeat 5 times. So now this is my random crazy swim timer, and I can copy and paste this to all of my fish. So I'm going to say copy script 2, and then do it to all of my other fish, not to the fish food. Okay, great. So we have our random fish swim command, and obviously those movements are all variable. You can change those to whatever you want, but like I said before, make sure the fish ends this right side up, not at some weird crooked angle. Okay, next thing we're going to do is our random death code. So we're going to bring in another play, and we're going to do another wait command. Okay, so we're going to do another wait with a random variable in it. And I'm going to make this one longer. In fact, I'm going to make this happen after that expires. So I'm going to go 65, just so we know it's after the crazy swim happens. And then we're going to change this to, I don't know, we'll do 200. So somewhere between 65 seconds and 200 seconds into the game, we are going to have the random death happen. And now we're going to stop the other scripts, okay? So we're going to stop other scripts because now once this fish dies, we want to make sure nothing else happens. It doesn't keep eating food. It doesn't do a random swim. So we've got to stop everything else. So now wherever this fish is, once it dies, we are going to make it flip over. Okay? So we are going to cause it to turn upside down. All right, so we have to have it turn over by 180 degrees. And we'll have it do it slowly. And then we are going to have it go to the bottom. So wherever it is, we're going to say go to a random X location, but your Y is going to be 5. Okay, so go to the bottom and sink there slowly. Then once you're at the bottom, we're going to have you wait about 5 seconds is fine. Maybe we'll do less, 4 seconds. Okay, and then we're going to have it change its color to, okay, where did my color change code go? Glow. Okay, change color of the fish by, actually, let's go to set color. I think it was set color we want to use. Yep, that's what we want. And I changed it to this weird sort of gray, so it like looks like it died. Random gray, and then we're going to wait another 4 seconds. And then we are going to have it hide and disappear, never to return. Okay, and I'll have that do it slowly. Okay, now, so this is our random die command. We can copy and paste this to all of our other scripts. So I also added in another one a net that comes and gets them. So I can show you how to do that as well. It's a little bit more complicated, but let's first copy and paste this script over to all of our other fish. If you wanted the net to come and get them, the way to do it would be to put a message code on the bottom and then create a net and have the net receive the message and swoop by the bottom to get the fish. This is how we will do the random swim and the random death. So that is part 2. We are now going to stop the video, but if you want to continue on with this project, part 3 is going to be our algae growing and our algae eater coming to eat the algae.